What do you want? We got an FFW on our hands.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include McCandless Township, Cranberry, Butler, Franklin Park, Hampton Township, Harrison Township, Wexford, Homaker, Lindora, Arnold, Shanner, Northview, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, Meridian, Zelienople, Brackenridge, Seven Fields, Gibsonia, and Meadowood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.